So, hi everyone, my name is Burak, and I'm really proud to present you our plug-and-play smart home system, Ingenious. I'm pretty sure you all will agree with me if I say remote control is a pretty convenient thing, yeah? But normally, having just a remote control doesn't make something smart. But today, there are plenty of smart home products on the market, like light bulbs, plug units, security systems, or even door locks. They actually giving you a remote control in an application. And we really believe, smart should be more than that. And this is why we developed Ingenious. It's a really handsome smart home system, and it comes in a smart box like this. And this will take everything to the next step. Like all the hubs, it works like this. One hub connects to our existing Wi-Fi. Through infrared, you can control everything that has a remote control. Your TV, sound system, air condition. And through RF, you can control all your existing devices and our end units. And they are all connected to our cloud database. This is where we collect and analyze the data. We will know the brand choices, buying frequencies, or even which TV channels our consumers are watching. And this is why Nest actually was $3 billion, while the others were costing just a couple $100 million, actually. And not only we designed the best user interface ever designed for a smart home product, with support of Microsoft, we designed a learning algorithm. So Ingenious learns your behaviors, your habits, and designs the upcoming events for you that you don't even have to program the Ingenious. But not just for convenience. By preventing the standby consumption and making an optimization, we can realize up to 15% of energy saving in an average household. But we still needed a remote control because we are not robots. And we invented something we call point-to-control. This is a patent-pending technology from us, and it works like this. You just point your mobile device, Ingenious knows what you want to control and becomes this remote control. You turn on your volume, you turn on a light. It's just like that, that's simple. And it works great with wearables. You just have to point and make a gesture to turn on a light. And the best thing is, you can have a really smart home system for just $199. So we tried it. We launched a beta, and in just 24 hours, we had over 250 beta applications just from Turkey. And until today, we have over 500 pre-orders applications. And of course, we have a spectacular team. We are working on this over a year now. And this is what we've done so far. We won Intel Innovation Challenge here in Turkey. We had several prototyping stages. Today, we are actually producing the 50 beta units, and this is one of them. And we are raising around for $1 million to launch Ingenious in September and create the next Nest from Europe. So thank you.
Yeah, let's take a look. I mean, general feedback on the pitch, man, you took me on a long journey through a lot of places. And so it feels like you're doing a lot, which is okay to some extent. But I think for a pitch, if you confuse the audience or the investor, we start to drift. We start thinking about the bar that we're about to go to. So I think you need to be a little more succinct in terms of what you're doing. But yeah, tell me what this is. And go ahead if you have other questions. I'll try to
Well, I started off thinking this was a pure software play, and then all of a sudden you introduce hardware.
That's where I got confused too.
Yeah, completely confused. And so let's back up. Solar, what else is going on? Is this just energy? What else am I controlling here? Lights?
So this is actually a combination of hardware and software. And one hub connects to existing Wi-Fi. It is equipped with infrared. You can control everything that has a remote control. And we have our end units. And if you already have some Philips Hue or Belkin Wemo switch, we can also control them. And they are all connected to our database in cloud.
When can we buy it? We can't buy this right now. These are prototypes, right?
Yeah, these look like 3D printed.
Yeah.
This is 3D printed.
And you said you had pre-orders, so this is a Kickstarter or just pre-orders through your website?
No, Webrazi made an article about us. In just 24 hours, we have over 250 beta applications.
Does this have to be square? This is ugly. What the hell?
I don't know, it's handsome.
This is the first time I heard it.
Or maybe it's sort of an Apple thing.
I don't know. Yeah, maybe a little Apple, a little Gothic. I don't know.
It's Gothic Apple is what it is.
Yeah.
It's death metal light fitting. Yeah. What does it have to? Does it have to be square? Can you not make it smaller than this?
No, I can make it round.
Huh?
Just maybe one for you.
You can make it round.
Yeah.
Oh, thank
So
God.
here's the problem with this whole space, and that's why nothing's ever taken off in it, is that you're selling, you're not going to jump the chasm, as it were, because you're selling to geeks in this form, right? The people that want to light up their house are the people that don't leave their house.
That's so true.
But the people that make most decisions about home in purchasing things for the home are women. They're not going to go for a handsome device. They will go for safety
I'm going to break
and
this.
security. So that's what I've seen where it works, is that those type of things tend to go mainstream, they tend to get popularity, is if they provide safety beyond convenience of hooking up multiple devices. The other problem is that you're competing with Apple HomeKit. And God bless you, but don't compete with Apple on anything.
Yeah, but I mean, to your point, like, what's Apple's whole thing? It just works. It's intuitive, it's simple, and I think he's absolutely right. Like, this is really going for the geeks, and that's okay to get started, but, you know, yes, women make most of the decisions in the home. Like, if they have to think, like, the beta, the API, like, you're taking them down a very technical journey on something that needs to be simple. I like the one app where it sort of knows where you are and just reacts to it. Like, that's interesting. Like, that's probably the most scalable piece of this whole universe that you've created here.
Yeah, I mean, you want to take it out of the realm of toy and gadget to a safety device or something that provides some kind of,
something
from vitamin
crucial
to a painkiller, for something that will provide that level of safety or something.
Cool. All right.
Make it
Cool.
indispensable.
Let's wrap up, actually. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Cool. Thank you.